What's up, YouTube? Mike back again. We're just gonna jump right into it. I've been doing a lot of work to, the lights on the truck. We got the newer style headlights. Then we dropped LED bulbs in them. So we actually can look at it real quick. And the front of the truck, got all my cars in the way. My buddy's car here. The front of the truck is looking good. So you can see the LED bulb. So man, I really got the front of the truck dialed in exactly where I want it. I also have the LED fogs if you didn't see that video. So the next logical thing to do is do something with the tail lights. So this is just the standard Ram tail lights, and you can see in that bag here. Oh, I have my address shown. Okay, come up here, buddy. But yeah, trying to get some new tail lights installed. That'll basically complete the lighting upgrade. The only thing else I might do is go LEDs, like in the third brake light. And also, I'm not even sure how these tail lights are, but I may go LEDs in the tail light as well. So let's go ahead and knock that out. Got my helper right here with me today. Makai, say what's up. Say what's up. You not gonna talk to the camera? Alright, but anyway, so yeah, we're gonna get these tail lights installed and I'll show you what they look like. So these are from the factory. Just the basic tail light. I'm not even sure if they come on if I hit the button. Oh yeah, they do. You can see how they kind of flash. Anyway, nothing to see there. It's just basic as can be. But anyway, see, it's a pretty truck, but I definitely use it for work. So anyway, we're gonna go to get these new taillights installed. From what I can tell, it's just these screws right here, hopefully, and we better get it in. So 1, 2, and well, there, and we'll see what else when we get there. So let's go ahead and grab the right end on the drill, knock it out. The resolution may have changed, but anyway, this video still should be good. Anyway, these bolts are T25s. So I have the T25 loaded into the drill. Just gonna back them out and see if that's all we need to take out. Alright, so I just took that tail light out, and it was just those 2 screws. And so what you're gonna see here, this is the factory light, and this is the light that I went with. Doesn't look like much, and that's exactly what I was going for. Again, I like clean OEM modifications. Look at this. It is starting to rain. But anyway, no worries there. Sun's still out. Anyway, so yeah, that's just a quick side by side. They look really close to OEM. That's all Mike looked for. So anyway, 2 screws, and these will be right back in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll show you the updates. Oh, and another thing, let's flip this over quickly. The connectors for this look a lot better than the connections for my LED tail lights. My LED headlights. So the tail light connections look better than the headlight connections. So shouldn't have any problems there. Anyway, let's go ahead with the install and see what we look like. One thing to note, you do have to transfer your existing light bulb for the bottom over to the new one. So this is the old tail light. You just pull it off of there, and you want to pull the sticker, the white sticker, off for here. Plug that in, should be good to go. Grabbing the camera again, you can see that says warning, black to black wire. Pretty sure that means make sure you have the black side wired up here. Final thing to note, these little tabs, I guess normally are in the light, you can see here, but they stayed in mine, so I'm just gonna grab something to pop those off. Anyway, you see I got everything wired up, and we should have some power in a second. Alright, so I went on through the other side in too, but the new lights are in. Looks real close to factory. So let's just make sure all the functions work on them. We're gonna just make sure we got blinking. when I unlock the truck. Yep. So if you can see that, both of them blink at the same time. Now let's switch the lights on. Alright, so son must have pushed the button. Nah, we're just looking at the lights, son. So there we go. Looking good from that exhaust. There we go. Looking good. And let's just see what turn signals do to it. Come on, son, let's go. So, alright, so those are the signals. So this will stay on the entire time, and that's the signals. That's cool because I leave my fog lights on all the time anyway. So let's just turn the lights off, leave the signal on. I'm sure the same result is the U-bar is not off. Yep. So if the lights are ever off, it'd be like that. What else? I guess I could have did the hazards, huh? Let's turn that off. So we just checking it out. I'm not moving my truck. I'm just, yeah. So looks like all the functions are working. Turn the lights back on one more time. Leave the hazards on. Those are. That's it right there. So, alright, man. It is what it is. Looks great. Just no simple touches. And I wanted it red. I didn't want smoke again. I don't have anything on the truck smoke. So that's not really the look for me. But I love it. So I guess next we're gonna work on getting these switched out. The lights that's up there. I didn't even see a third brake light that I liked. I'll probably just put some LEDs in that. The mirror lights already look kind of LED-ish. If I buy a package that comes with them, you know, I'll put those in as well. But yeah, man, I'm pretty much done with the outside of this truck. So with that said, cut this truck off and sign out. Thanks, YouTube. Check you out later.